Make a great choice today with
the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers, driver illuminated vanity mirror, front wheel drive, remote trunk release. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.